Hi everybody, I just came back from the store and I got these chicken wings, so I'm going to go ahead and make my version of orange chicken with these chicken wings. But before I do that, I wanted to say that I am having fun in my kitchen and I am not a chef by any stretch of the imagination. This is not my profession. I am just a person who loves to cook and loves to share practical ideas and recipes with people and exchange them as well. So I would love to show you this recipe because it's a recipe that I have been making since I was literally in high school, and it calls for 4 ingredients only: garlic, fresh garlic, fresh ginger, orange marmalade, and orange juice. And all you have to do is marinate this together you can do it overnight or you can do it for a few hours, and you can then bake it and sprinkle it with some garlic salt and some black pepper and put it in the oven, and it is just amazing how the color and the flavors turn out. So let me get started on this, and I hope you try this recipe and I hope you enjoy it. Let's see. So these are the chicken wings. It says air chilled and no retained water, including no chlorinated water. So they should be very nice for baking and they should turn out great. Okay, so we are going to get our garlic ready. I'm gonna use like half of this bulb of garlic. So maybe half of this garlic, this much garlic, okay, about 1, 2, 3, about 5 cloves of garlic, and this much ginger. So for the jam or marmalade, you're going to use about a cup, which is, I think what I have here is about a cup because I've used it already for something else. So this is what we're gonna do. We're going to use a cup of the marmalade. Let's see if that is a cup. Yes, it is. We're going to get our garlic peel, and then we're going to chop it in the food processor because I don't like chopping by hand because it takes too long and I'm not really good at it. So all right, so I'm going to put my peeled ginger and my garlic in the food processor, in the mini chopper. That's what we have, and the smell is so good. That's the first thing that will go in there. Okay, I gotta get every last bit of it because this is like gold. It smells really good. And then we're gonna do the cup of orange marmalade and the cup of orange juice. That is all. I'm gonna mix this well. Now we're going to put the wings in there, rinsed and ready to go. I'm going to sprinkle with a little bit of sea salt. And now I just cover, and as many hours as you would like to marinate this would be fine. The more hours, the longer you marinate it, the better it'll be. Now this goes into the refrigerator, like I said, and I'll come back and bake them in a few hours. Okay, so I'm going to use, it was 3 pounds of wings, so I'm going to use 2 cookie sheets, 2 lined cookie sheets. Now I am going to sprinkle it with some garlic salt. Not too much, we don't want it to be that salty. Now I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of black pepper, and that is it. The wings are ready to be cooked. So I'm going to cover them with a single layer of foil for them to cook faster, and I have my oven set on convection oven at 400 degrees. We're just gonna leave them open halfway. Looks like they are ready.